I'm going to talk to you a little more in detail about the Subzero Cryotherapy from CIC Beauty. What does that mean? We're freezing hyaluronic acid into the cortex of the hair, minus 16 degrees Celsius. Who is this for? This is for everyone. Anyone who wants healthy, shiny, strong, beautiful hair. And the way it works is this. We're going to use tongs at minus 16 degrees Celsius. We're going to pass it through 4, 5, 6 times. And with this, we freeze the hyaluronic acid into the cortex. Now, you ask, is this something that's profitable for me? Absolutely. In our salon alone, we've increased profits by 60 to 70,000%. 60 to 70K, that's huge, just in treatments alone. This is the future of hair care. People are now more concerned with their organic, natural hair. And this is what will preserve it. This is what will create a better, more healthy, cultivated, groomed head of hair. Subzero Cryotherapy. Try it today.